Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today is my February 2020 BOXYCHARM unboxing. I just got it in mail today and I did already peek in, and I'm gonna be honest, when I opened it up, because I haven't been getting the emails like with the spoilers, so which is kind of good because I like being surprised, but I opened it up and I was a little underwhelmed. So, well, first of all, when I opened it up, there's no card. There's nothing. Usually they send you a card that has everything in the box that you are getting. It tells you the cost, it tells you a description, and I didn't get that. We are just gonna go through, I'll show you guys what I got, and I'm gonna do my best to look this stuff up online and see if I can find the cost for you guys. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is from VO Skin Aurora. Oh, VO Skin and Aurora. Maybe it's like some sort of collab. They are refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. Online it says these biodegradable multitasking wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. Okie dokie. Did anyone else get their box and not have a card in it as well? I just thought that was really odd. So it looks like these things retail for $14, and I have no idea how many are in there. Oh, 15 wipes. Okay. So the next thing I'm seeing in here, this looks to be, that's another thing, like I don't know, this is just a weird box to me. I don't know why. So these are facial Radiance pads, and these are from First Aid Beauty. It looks like you get 28 pads in here, and let me see what it says about these. So it looks like these retail for $34. Oh, just kidding. So the one that I'm seeing right here online, this comes with 60 of them, and that's for $34. So I don't know how much this littler one is, but a daily treatment pad that contains just the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types, including sensitive. So I normally just use like a liquid toner and put it on some gauze, but I will definitely give these a shot. So I don't know exactly how much these retail for. If the bigger one is $34, I'm assuming these are maybe around $20, but I'm not sure. All right, the next thing I'm seeing in here is from Ciate London, Everyday Vacay. This is a coconut setting powder. And this is what the box looks like. I do really like this brand. The packaging is really, really cute. It's like really shiny. It's got a cute little bow. I do want to smell it though and see if it smells like coconut. Yes, it does. It smells really good. It kind of reminds me of the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Okay, so this powder retails for $22, I believe. That's what it's saying online. And it just says lock-in makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. All right, the next thing I'm seeing in here are some makeup brushes. And just looking at them, like you cannot tell what brand they are. You can't tell what kind they are. I really wish that there was a card in here. Let's see, we're gonna take them out, and it looks to be like 3 different brushes, and they're really, really pretty. Oh, they're from Alamar Cosmetics. I know we've gotten some palettes and other stuff from them in here. Actually, we've gotten quite a few items. Brushes, lip gloss, palettes, and I really do like this brand. I'm not too familiar with it, but so, okay, this looks to be a brightening brush, and that's what that one looks like. This one might be good like to set like powder underneath your eyes. And then this one is a complexion brush, and it's kind of tapered. It's kind of tapered like that. I don't know, this one might be good for blush maybe, complexion. And then this one says it's a bronzer brush. This one is very different because it almost has like these little, like, you guys can see the top, like it's almost like it's a little textured. I've never applied bronzer with a brush quite like this, but it'll be fun to give it a try, and these are really pretty. I have no idea how much they are. I tried to look up online and I couldn't find these particular brushes. Let me try to look one more time. Here, Complexion Brush Trio, that's what they're called. And this set retails for $36. Okay, so it is online, it's on their website. This 3-piece brush set is made of vegan synthetic fibers, perfect for creams and powders. These can be used for blush, bronzing, or brightening. So cool, 36 bucks for those. Okay, and last but not least, this is the one thing I knew I was getting because I picked it last month. We were able to go on and pick one of the items. And this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Got this in the color Cashmere. A couple months ago, they did send a little like sample card in one of my boxes, and it had 3 different colors that probably what they thought that my skin tone would be due to the quiz that I took or whatnot. And so this was the color that matched me the best. We shall see if it works. So yeah, I've never tried any foundation from Becca before. It's a really nice packaging. It's really nice. It's a nice glass bottle, and it feels a lot bigger than normal. I'm trying to find, oh, it's 1 ounce. I don't know why, it just seems so much bigger. So let me just put a little bit on my hand. Okay. So let's see here. A little bit definitely goes a long way. It's so hard to tell on here. That looks really, really light. Oh my gosh, that looks super duper light. So I'm actually gonna take one of these wipes and wipe off my face makeup, and I'm gonna try on the Becca for you guys and just see like what it looks like. I'm really afraid it's gonna be too light though. I'm a little nervous, but maybe I can put on a little bronzer and we'll try out those brushes. So, all right, I'm gonna go take off my makeup. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I have on a little bit of moisturizer, and then I did just prime my skin with this Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I really, really like this stuff. I've been wearing it just kind of by itself too, because it just kind of gives you like a fresh look. All right, we are gonna go in and try this. I'm really worried it's gonna be super duper light, but we will give it a shot. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. I think this is my e.l.f. sponge. Okay, so I have the foundation on and some concealer, and I feel so pasty right now. I mean, I am pretty pale right now, so maybe this is pretty accurate, but I am gonna go in and I'm gonna try a little bit of that setting powder and just set my concealer, and then I'm gonna try, I've just got this Tarte palette that I think was actually in a BOXYCHARM as well, and I'm just gonna go in with probably the lightest bronzer in there and just try to like give my face a little bit of color. I'm gonna go in with this new powder, and I'm gonna try this new brush to see how that works. So I really like how that powder feels. I feel like I look so pale in the monitor, but maybe I really am that pale. But I really like how that powder feels. It just feels really lightweight, and I love how it smells. So all right, now let's try some bronzer with this very interesting brush. Okay, so I mean, I do really like this brush. I probably wouldn't normally use something this dense for a bronzer, but I think it looks pretty, and I think I really like the foundation. It doesn't feel heavy, and it doesn't seem to be like sitting in my fine lines too bad. So far so good. I would say I like it. And I can't remember if I told you guys how much that foundation was. I want to say that foundation is like in the 40s. Yeah, so that foundation is normally $44. So 44, I don't remember off the top of my head how much everything was since I don't have my card, but I know it was well over $100 for everything. And I wish I could tell you guys what variation I had, but I don't know. So, all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's been a very different box. I don't know why. I feel like normally, I guess I'm used to getting like a lip color or a palette, and there's just like, there was no color in this box. It was all like either skincare or brushes, but that's okay. I'm okay with it. I like getting different stuff. The makeup wipes, I'm not too thrilled about, because I feel like those aren't a very good value. The First Aid Beauty, the pads, those will probably be good to try out, but overall, I'm not blown away by this box. But what do you guys think? Did you guys like yours? Were you happy with it? All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.